Hi, how's everyone doing? Welcome back. Good to see everyone. So this video is a continuation of problem one, part six, I think. So basically, we finished the program, and now I'm going to show you. I recommend that you upload the program to GitHub. That way, when you're applying for interviews, internships, jobs, you can put your GitHub link on your resume, and they can see like, oh, this person ran through the Google's Guide to Technical Development. This is how you code the problem. Let me take a look. So it will help you build your profile on GitHub. So I'm gonna walk you through it. I recommend that you try code it, try to solve the problem in your own way, then post it to GitHub. So I'm just gonna show you the process. So first, I'm uploading some videos, excuse me, so GitHub. I'm already signed into my GitHub. Whoops, I'm not supposed to. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Alright, so now first we're gonna make a new repository. So let's just go github.com. First you make a new repository. A repository is just a fancy name for folder. So this folder is gonna call it Tech Dev Guide. Tech Google's I'll put Tech Dev Guide. I don't want no copyright intended. Basically solved description. If you don't have a GitHub account, I recommend you create one using your school's email. Using your school's email, because with the school's email you get additional bonuses. I'll show you in a second. Let me just finish this and I'll show you what I mean. So solve problems with Google's Guide to Technical Development. Okay, create this repository. This is some code you can run on your command line. So once we got the repository, I wonder if you can make a repository, a folder within a folder on GitHub. But anyway, I'll look into that. So tech dev guide. Okay, we're in it. So now we need to add our code. Set up on desktop. So issues, pull requests, projects. So I'm gonna see create a project. So let's call it problem problem one. Problem one. Okay, so create project. Ignore that. Ignore that. Okay. So let's go back here. Let's go to where we. Let's go to this repository. Okay, now I want to add code to this repository. So we can do new repository, new GIS, new organization, new issue, pull request projects, settings, code. There we go. Click on code. No. Okay, there is. Get started by creating a new file, uploading existing file. We recommend every repository include a README license and get a new one. So uploading existing file. Choose your files. So my files are, first I'm gonna include the code. Then this I'm gonna rename as steps taken. Usually this is called an algorithm. An algorithm, if you don't know what it is a series of steps to solve a problem. Steps taken, solve problem 1. Let me see how I'm doing on time. Okay, 6 minutes. Okay, I'm doing well. Doing okay. So I'm gonna upload this. I'm gonna upload this. So I'm gonna call this uploading What I'm also going to do, I'm going to upload a JPEG image. I'm going to save this as an image of it. So I'm just going to upload everything in one shot. So if I go here, this is like the thinking. It's part of the steps taken to solve problem 1. So I'm going to save it, save file, save as. Presentation. I hope I spelled it right. Picture representation of solving problem 1. Picture representation of steps needed to solve problem. Save it on desktop. Okay. Can do normal. So now I'm gonna close this. So now I'm gonna upload. Let's go GitHub. I'm gonna upload the picture as well. I have to fix the code a little bit, but first let's upload the picture. What I have to do to this code, let's upload the picture. And here I will put the problem I solved. I solved the problem we solved together. Given the string as a word. That's what it was. Challenge. I also have to put this in the code itself. I'll tell you what I mean by that in a minute. Copy. I also like to put a link to the problem. Okay, commit changes. There you go. Picture representation of JPEG. There you go. Go back. Then steps taken to solve problem 1. You have to download the document, unfortunately. This is what I mean. You see the code? Can I edit? Let me edit real quick. Okay. So what I want to do is this is just good format to put the date you wrote it, 6/6/2019. Make sure it's a comment too. 6/6/2019. Put your name. It's Car Michelle. Now I like to do a description of the problem. So that's where I will put this. Then I'll also give the link to the problem. That way other people can follow it to find out where it came from. Then I want to save changes. Added problem description, added name, date, problem description, and link to the website. Commit changes. There we go. And now, okay. So now, if I have a few minutes, I will tell you what let's see how many. Okay, I have a few minutes to talk about GitHub. So basically, I'm gonna open it incognito. So GitHub. Basically, if you have a .edu email address, sign up for GitHub using that email address. You get a lot of tools just signing with your email address for GitHub. So as you can see, free access to the best developing tools in one place so they can learn by doing. So you have Agolea, Atom, you have AWS Educate, which is very good. You have Cart, I'm not familiar with Cart. You have Datadog, you have DigitalOcean, you have GitHub, which is what we want. You have Git Desktop. Oh, I didn't know about this. You have Learn Web Development from Premier Coding School, free 1 month. You have Git Kraken, Git Grow. You have Heroku. You have Namecheap, Microsoft Azure, JetBrains, SendGrid, Senatry, Stripe. You see all these software. Unreal Engine, this is for making mobile games. Learn fundamentals of web development to launch your career as a development, 1 month of access. TransferFix, 6 months free of starter. Travis CI, continue integration platform. See, take advantage of this. So if you're in school and you got a .edu email address, you click on students, get benefits for students. Throw a hackathon at your school, get benefits for students, get your pack, new to GitHub, create an account. So basically, this username would be the username of your GitHub. So if you look at mine, my username is Bugs Bunny 23. I grew up watching Bugs Bunny. Email address, password, verified account. So what I recommend is create the GitHub account, sign it. I recommend create a GitHub account using a regular email address. Once you do that, once you do that, you sign in with that email address. Then they will ask you to enter that edu email address. Once you enter that, they'll send you email address to verify it, and your regular email address will be linked up to your. They will link your regular email address to your student email address, so you get all the free, all the perks. So that's what I mean. Let me check the time. So the time 15 minutes and 56 seconds. So once you do that, you have access. So if I go to, let's see, it says pro. It says pro because it's linked up to my. I use my regular email to sign in, but it's linked up to my school, so I get the perks. So that's it for this video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time and patience. Now, oh, thank you for your time and patience. One more thing, I want to show you what it looks like. So once you upload it, if I type in Bugs Bunny 23 GitHub, it might take some time. See, find it. This is me. Hello. Okay. So basically, MLH is I'll explain MLH. MLH is if you Google MLH, it stands for Major League Hacking. It's a plug for them. So this is basically a plug. They offer free every month or so. They host like free tech workshops. So you can find that out on Eventbrite. You just type in MLH local events, MLH local events. Then you look for. I know I'm going overboard with this video. Uh, there you go. Major League having event. Okay. Peer group planning workshop. Peer group hacker experience. Team management. They don't have nothing planned. See, it will say something like this: build your first blockchain app, or get cracking with Git using Git Kraken. They will have MLH local hosts. Build your first IoT app. So that's where that comes from. So anyway, going back, you see you're able to access my page. Notice I'm not signed in. Then you can easily see, where is it? Should be okay. Popular repository. Click on repositories right here, and you see it says the language Python. You see, and this is what recruiters will look at. They'll look at, okay, let me take a look, and they'll see the code you written. They will see the steps taken to solve the problem. See picture representation. So that's what it looks like. So, all right, let's end this video. I know I'm over time. Thank you, thank you for your thank you for your time and patience. Have a good night. It's nighttime where I am.